Hey guys, I'm Manaki Senpai, and this is my first devlog video of this series. Yeah, now that I fixed it, it still looks weird. It looks like bricks. I'll just make another different texture. It's a cool texture. Like, look, it actually walks in the right direction. Like, if you remember, like the light is dynamic. The grass is what this is what we end up with. Hey guys, it's Friday and I finished implementing this inside of Unity. So yeah, player can move now and camera follows it smoothly. In this week's video, we will fix the cursed UI from this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
To this. But for now, it's just a slider, blue slider. You see that? There will be the icon. So if I spam it, nothing happens. Right was super stripy. Now it's super smooth. I just use jittering. You can see the jitters. But it's like that's bearable. This jitter instead of those bands. Yeah, it looks janky, but it's a prototype. Prototypes are supposed to look janky. It works. If it works, it works. You know what I'm saying? There. So right now you can just walk through this straight way because I didn't add the slope forces yet. Right now it does no damage to the player, but I'll add the damage thingy in the next episode, and I'll also add the trees in my game. But now I will add parallax to it. That's the beach area where the port will be, and from here you will go to the main town. Walking with the new textures, which are still not proper, but it's fun. And I also realized the textures are too small compared to Arcane size, so I'll make them bigger. Well, it looks like the fence is complete. I still need to add the normal maps and shadows though, but yeah, the fence is complete. Yeah, that looks cool. And since we don't have any collision, I can just walk up there, which is pretty sick. I feel like the crane parallax should be slightly lowered. We'll see. House parallax seems fine. Yeah. Oh yeah, house parallax is very good. As you can see, it's not rendering properly. There is no sprite sorting or anything like that. But yeah, like, looks sick. Feel like Arcane's height is the stalls are too small? Question mark. Like, even this door, I need to make everything slightly bigger, I guess. I feel like this is good enough. In this week's devlog, we are going to work on the shadows, and here's a preview. I did the collisions and sprite sorting of this crates and stuff. So you can see Arcane is rendered behind the crate when around midway, and then in front of the crate, and there is collision. You can see it can collide all four sides of the crate. Still, the water looks pretty cool. Like now, since sun is up, it looks even better, doesn't it? Then we have this houses. I think, did I show you this already? And the shadows don't like cast onto another house like in real life. Like it just goes underneath, which is not realistic by any stretch of your imagination. But it works. It's a 2D game, okay? That's the best I can do with shadows. Yeah, you can see the shadows on lighting and everything changes. You spawn, you will come out here because there is no other way going, so you can go left here, but you'll soon, why it's not sprite sorting properly. They should be in the front. I'll sprite sort it properly later. So yeah, here is a dead end, can't really go anywhere. Like you just meet the terrain here. And here's another dead end. Can't cross there. Alright, let's just check every animation. So left walk, right walk, up, down. Okay, diagonals, correct. Correct. What about setting? That's good. What else? Oh yeah, sprinting. Left, right, left, correct, right, correct, top, correct, bottom is also correct. Attacks. Ooh, that looks nice. Alright, what next? Dash. Ooh, daylight came. Daylight, yeah. That looks correct. That looks right. That looks about right. Yeah. And what left? Jump. Seems right. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the devlog. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe.